There's a reason rice paper has lasted for centuries in Vietnam. Not because it's trendy, but because it works. Made from rice grown in the Mekong Delta, it began as a simple way to turn rice into something more useful, something that could go with almost anything, light, clean, effortless. It works with whatever you put inside. Long before personalized meals became a trend, this is how people in Vietnam were already eating. No recipes, no rules, just wrap what you have. And that simple idea is exactly what the world is looking for today. Less processed, more freedom, built for the way we eat now. For decades, the world has relied on one kind of wrapped tortillas, but that's changing. People want something lighter, cleaner, more flexible, and that's where rice paper comes in. At Tanisa, we don't just make rice paper, we take a traditional way of eating and bring it into today's world through modern production, clean ingredients, and global standards. But more importantly, we don't see rice paper as an Asian product. We see it as something bigger. A new kind of wrap, a new way to eat, one that lets you create your own meals your way. From healthy dishes to quick bites to entirely new food experiences, rice paper doesn't define the meal, it adapts to it. And that's why it's not just staying in Vietnam, it's going global, from Vietnam to the world.